Welcome to Angel Health Academy. Subject: Community Health Nursing. Topic for the day is Concept of Health. Concept of Health. Health is the common theme in most of the culture, and all the communities have their own concept of health as a part of their culture. So it is the common theme in all the culture, and all the communities have their own concept of health. But it is not perceived in the same way by all the members of the community, including various professional groups such as biomedical scientists, social scientists, health administrators, ecologists. They add their own concept. These all give rise to a confusion about the concept of health. But an understanding of health is the basis for all the healthcare services or healthcare delivery system. Next is definition of health. WHO in 1948 defined health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. So it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. For an easy understanding, we can divide this definition into two parts. That is, health is a state or it is a condition, it is a situation where complete physical, mental and social well-being are present. So, complete physical, mental and social well-being. The second part of the definition says that not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Infirmity means disability, weakness, etc. So, the first part of the definition says that health means it is the complete physical, mental and social well-being of a person. And it doesn't mean that when a person is free from disease or infirmity, disability or weakness, that doesn't consider he is healthy. So, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Now let us discuss about good health triad. Health triad includes the same three concepts or component of health: physical status, mental status and social status. So it is a combination of all the above three conditions, that is physical, mental and social status, that is PMS, that defines a good health triad. So health triad includes physical status, mental status and social status. Next is changing concept of health. So we can apply the mnemonic. I have made a mnemonic for the changing concept of health is BEPH, B-E-P-H. Now for an understanding purpose, I am comparing the WHO concept of health into changing concepts of health. So there are mainly four changing concepts of health. Now we can compare with the WHO concept in definition 1948. WHO stressed three dimensions in the definition, that is physical, mental and social well-being. So PMS is equal to H. H stands for health. Here I have made BEP is equal to H. Let us discuss in detail about this concept. So in WHO concept we have three small circles in a large circle. Let us see what are they. First is physical dimension or physical health. Second circle is mental health. And third circle is social health. Now we have three small circles in a one large circle, that is health. So as per WHO concept, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. So we have three small circles and one large circle. Same this concept we can apply to the changing concept of health. Changing concept of health also has four circles, that is three small circles and one large circle. Let us see what are they. The first small circle stands for biomedical concept. The second small circle stands for E, that is ecological concept. And third small circle stands for P, that is psychosocial concepts. Now you can see that there is a relationship between physical health and biomedical concept. Then there is a mental health. We said it is a balance between body, mind, spirit towards the environment. That E stands for ecological health. Then now social health, now present concept of social health is psychosocial health. So now we have a large circle in the changing concept, that is the holistic concept, that is the current and present concept of health, that is holistic concept. So in this way we can compare the WHO concept of health in 1948 with their definition, and the changing concept of health, that stands for biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept, and the last concept is holistic concept. It is a combination of all the three concepts of biomedical, ecological and psychosocial. Let us discuss in detail about that each concept. So the first concept is biomedical concept. It is a traditional concept. In that concept, health means absence of disease or free from disease. That if someone was free from disease, then the person was considered healthy. So this concept is a traditional concept that says that health means free from disease. When a person is not having disease, that according to traditional concept, he is said to be healthy. This concept is based on the germ theory of diseases of Louis Pasteur. So there are three important theory of diseases. First theory is supernatural theory, and second theory is the germ theory, that is disease caused by the germs. So this biomedical concept is based on the germ theory, and moreover, the medical profession viewed the human body as a machine and the disease as an outcome of the breakdown of that machine. And doctor's task is, or responsibility is, one of the responsibilities to repair the machine. So biomedical concept has minimized the role of the determinants. I have been explained a video regarding determinants, that is factor influencing the health of the person. So health of the person influenced by number of factors, various factors, so multifactorial, such as environment, social and cultural factors. So biomedical concept minimizes the role of the determinants. In addition to that, developments in medical and social sciences led to the conclusion that the biomedical concept of health was inadequate. So then the other concept came. Let us see what is the next concept, that is ecological concept. The deficiency in the biomedical concept gave rise to other concept, that is ecological concept. Ecologists viewed health as a dynamic equilibrium between the man and his environment. So according to ecologists, health is a dynamic equilibrium, the balance between the man and his environment. And disease is a maladjustment of the human organism to the environment. So when the human organism is having maladjustment towards the environment, then the disease occurs. So that in short, health is a balance between body, mind, spirit and environment according to ecological concept. The third concept is psychosocial concept. So advanced technology in social sciences showed that health is not only biomedical phenomenon that is free from disease, but one which is influenced by social, psychological, cultural, economic and political factors of the people concerned. These are the determinants of the health. So these factors must be also taken into consideration in defining and measuring the health, not only that biomedical concept. Thus, according to psychosocial concept, health is both biomedical and social phenomenon. So, health is both biomedical and social phenomenon according to psychosocial concept. Now, the last concept or present concept is holistic concept. That is, it is a synthesis of, or health is a synthesis of, or combination of all the above three concepts. That is biomedical concept, ecological concept and the psychosocial concept. All this concept together is said at present as holistic concept, because health, it includes biomedical, ecological and psychosocial aspects. Thus, holistic concept recognizes the strength of social, economic, political and environmental influences on health, and it is described as multi-dimensional process or multifactorial process. Health is a multi-dimensional process which involving the well-being of a person as a whole, the complete person, complete well-being. The holistic approach also implies that all the sectors of the society have an effect on health. In particular, agricultural department, animal husbandry, food, industry, education, housing, public work and other sectors. So all these sectors contribute to the health of a person. And holistic concept also given an emphasis on the promotion and protection of the health. Both promotion and protection of the health. So these are the four concepts of health. That is biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept and the present concept is holistic concept. In short, ancient holistic health views 4 S's. The first S stands for sound mind, second S stands for sound body and third S stands for sound family and fourth S stands for sound environment. That is a sound mind in a sound body, in a sound family, in a sound environment. So ancient holistic concept is a sound mind in a sound body, in a sound family, in a sound environment. You may have the previous questions like what do you mean by concept of health, or discuss various concepts of health. The question paper also asks that the difference between biomedical, ecological, psychosocial, etc. So thanks for watching. Hope this video really benefits in your studies. If you feel it is worth and benefits, please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned with the Angel Health Academy for the next educational video. Thank you.